A natural hemorrhoid treatment at home. How to treat the root cause of hemorrhoids. It is vital to identify the root cause of the problem before you start any hemorrhoid treatment at home. Along with curing any disease or condition, it is essential that you always treat the root cause of the problem. You see, this is where I think conventional medicine fails, because they do not treat the root cause of the disease or the problem. They merely just treat the symptoms of the problem and not the cause. So now let's look at the main causes of hemorrhoids. Constipation. Hemorrhoids are generally the result of straining caused by constipation. Constipation is usually caused by unbalanced eating habits, a lack of exercise, insufficient consumption of water, as well as stress. Other contributors consist of laxative mistreatment, IBS, which is irritable bowel syndrome, as well as thyroid problems. Yet another frequent cause of hemorrhoids is obesity. The reason is simply because when you are obese, your body merely does not possess enough of the forces to be able to produce proper elimination through your intestinal tract. Now, hemorrhoids also can be seen in women during pregnancy and in the elderly. If perhaps you are pregnant, the additional strain on your growing baby places upon your womb can result in hemorrhoids. Giving birth may increase the problem, but fortunately, most hemorrhoids caused by pregnancy resolve after delivery. Now that we have identified the main cause of hemorrhoids, you can start to address the root cause of the problem instead of just treating the symptoms. So now let's look at what we can do to prevent and treat hemorrhoids safely and effectively. The very first thing you should do or be doing to prevent hemorrhoids and with treating hemorrhoids is make sure you are drinking plenty of water. It is recommended that you drink 8 glasses of pure water daily, preferably spring water, filtered water, water by reverse osmosis, or distilled water. And stay away from tap water at all costs because those contain unhealthy contaminants that are no good for you. The next thing you want to do is make sure you're getting a diet that is high in fiber. Try to stay away from processed foods as much as possible and preferably eat all organic, locally grown foods. I know this can be difficult for some of you. Organic usually is more expensive, but the best places I have found to have organic food are Trader Joe's actually has some pretty good selections. Whole Foods, if you have one near you, they are pretty expensive, but it's the best place I've found. And ideally, you want to eat organic, locally grown. So if you have a farmer's market, the only problem is sometimes it's seasonal, but ideally that is where you want to be getting your food from, is from a local farmer's market that's organically grown and as close to you as possible, because that means has not been processed as much as everything else and has not traveled a long way to get to you. Most people do not even get close to enough fiber in their daily intake. This is a huge contributing factor why so many people suffer from hemorrhoids and other serious health problems. Fiber helps bulk and ease elimination, so it is key that you have enough fiber in your diet, such as eating tons of a lot of vegetables. You should try to eat salads with lunch and dinner. Add a salad, a big salad with lots of vegetables, and preferably raw. Try to eat your vegetables raw because they're going to contain as much nutrition as possible, and it didn't die off with cooking. So they'll have many enzymes and nutritional factors with being raw. So if you finally want to get a natural hemorrhoid treatment at home that has helped thousands of people like you and me to treat the root cause of their hemorrhoids fast and effectively, then go to